You said you were plumbing your dick off. Why the fuck is the audio in my PC bugging?
Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more.
You like my ride? Pit my ride. Come in. What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga?
Yeah, I remember.
Motherfucker.
Alright,
Oh my goodness.
alright.
Oh my goodness.
Oh shit.
Oh my.
Two of them. Yo, get out. I'm throwing the sticky bomb.
Uh,
Huzzah.
that's
Ugh.
nice. I
Ugh.
barely got any fucking sleep. The fuck is this?
Kelvin.
Useless
I
sack
ain't
of
got no
sh-
water, Kelvin. No.
Oh
I'm so
man.
hungry. Gulp, 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 gulp.
How long is the winter time?
Don't know. I couldn't tell you.
Uh,
Ah, damn it. I gotta eat my meat while it's good. It's going bad. Ah, I ate rotten meat. Damn it. I hate how it like auto highlighted that too. I didn't even mean to. I meant to eat the cooked meat. Alright, well. I'm okay.
I have no water.
We might just be able to build out platforms like by hand and make them look just as good.
Yeah. Oh, there's water here. Ooh, nice. Got Kelvin doing shit. Hey, nigga, we don't need sticks. We need wood. Okay, buddy?
Well, we needed sticks for the bed.
Fill the hoarder, bitch. Fill the hoarder. Thank you for the sticks. Them shit's mine.
Hey, now it's for the cause.
Allahu Akbar.
Is she trying to tell me something?
Nah, she seems fine. She seems normal.
Alright.
What do you want?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, well there goes the...
Cool, I put a lock on the door.
Oh, that's nice.
So we have to, we can like, huh?
Is winter ending?
I think so. Yep. Oh, look at that. The lake is back.
Nice.
And we already built over it. Let's go.
There's cannibals and they're about to jump in the water. Look at them. Look at them, they're drowning. Fucking idiots.
I can't see the fucking reflection.
I know, it's so bright.
Look at these
at 'em.
fucking losers.
Come here.
Saris, why are you fucking on my dick?
Yo, what the
You
fuck?
gotta go potty? Hang on. Oh shit.
Come here, buddy.
You gotta go potty?
Oh!
Yeah, she's gotta go potty. Hang on. Dog's gotta go. Go.
Yo, bro, stop throwing them fucking spears and come fight me. Good job. Look at him. Look at him. Come on in.
Hey, now that the water's back, we should take our rebreathers and check it out.
Wow. Brutal. Yeah, you
Hey,
better
where the
run.
fuck do you think you're going?
He's running away like a little bitch.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's water. Don't forget I have a rain catcher.
Can make good use of that now. And there's so many big rocks by this beach. Holy shit.
I'm gonna build out this platform. I'm gonna start making walls.
With stone.
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 It's a
I
lot
mean,
of
you see
stone.
what I've been doing on this left side?
Oh, I see.
Oh, up there. Okay, no, just this bottom place is where I want the stones. Oh, and make sure you put your post in too. Because if you don't put your post in, you won't be able to.
Oh, okay. I see. I see.
Oh
This
my
sh-
Christ, God speaks the gospel.
Calvin, what the fuck are you doing? Why aren't you filling up the fucking log post, bruh? What are you doing?
He was. We should probably just keep him on a break. Like, we have a lot of wood.
Not really.
We got like
But I'll let him take a
23,
break.
24 left. Yeah, because
I hear
I think
monsters.
yeah, we only need like
Yeah, I have some
how many?
cannibals, bruh.
All right, I'm coming.
Or one. Take a sword to my face, bitch. Dumbass nigga. Oh, skull armor?
Ah!
Make it sound stupid. Hold on.
Ah!
Ooh, a pouch. Give me that.
Ah!
Fucking idiot. Fucking
Where'd the
dumbass.
pouch go? Just have him take a break. It's fine. We'll hunt, come back, and then once he's rested, we'll have him maintain base and go exploring.
I'm gonna take the golf cart. Oh, what the fuck was that noise? Oh my goodness. Christian?
Oh, I see them. I see them. Gats or
Darn a nade. Take a nade, bitch. Blew his ass up.
yep. I'm getting the spears out.
Um,
Or you better run, you pussy boy.
watch out, watch out. You can parry, remember. You can parry. There's a big nigga on you. Dumbass.
The great thing about spears is that they're ranged. I just took my spears back from him.
Fucking bitch won't die. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh, I'm cutting off his arm and shit. Get blocked, bitch. Do it again, do it again. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Watch this. Okay, he's fucking me up. Oh, you're not about to run now. You're not. No. You're not about to run. They got so much armor now.
Oh, Virginia! Virginia just got knocked the fuck out.
Big bitch. Big bitch.
Big
Big
body
bitch.
bitch.
BBW. Bitch. That other nigga ran
Get
away.
the other one? He's right there.
Kelvin's over here eating berries and shit. Don't run. Damn, Virginia. Fucking deer.
Get it.
Can you help? Can you help me?
Yeah, I'm coming up. I see him. No. No.
Stop moving away, fucking bitch ass deer.
I only got so much energy.
Stop
Hang on.
running away.
Energy drink. Gulp. Some water. Gulp.
Ran away.
Did you hit it at all?
I hit it with an arrow.
Chase it.
Yo, bro, these arrows fucking suck.
I know.
Ooh, some loot. Ooh, some batteries. Ooh, an MRE. I'm gonna eat that.
Yeah, I need to eat that. I need to eat the MRE too. Hang on.
I don't think that deer stopped moving anytime soon. So give me that tarp.
Let's
Need
go.
that tarp.
Whatever.
A shot
Let's
and
just go
it's
hunting.
fucking
Go
gone.
hunting for another one. Let's hunt for another one. They're around here. Just conserve your energy. We got to be prepared to run after them.
What? Oh, I just got
Fuck.
skunked. Fucking bitch
Oh,
ass nigga.
Where'd you go?
You ran away, fucking bitch. With some blueberries. With some of them blueberries.
Hmm.
Why is Kelvin following us?
He is?
Yes, I'm gonna go. Bruh, this bitch ass nigga, bruh. Kelvin. Kelvin. Too dangerous to be out here, bruh. Okay, now there's monkeys. Where you at, Kelvin? Maintain the
I got
fucking
9
base.
mil ammo. Huh?
I'm having to maintain the base.
Cool.
You gonna go?
Dude, deer. Found one. I don't think I scared it away.
Yo, what is Kelvin doing?
There you are. Yeah.
Kelvin,
That
go
was a
to the
mighty
fucking
throw. Call
base.
me fucking Thor. Did I hit him?
Oh, he doesn't know where to go. Alright, he can just come with us, I guess. Oh, never mind. He's going back. The fuck is wrong with him?
Dude, on me a deer. I fucked up. And I don't have anything out to kill him with.
Oh,
He's coming to you. He's coming to you.
Come here, bitch. How did I miss? How am I missing?
Got him. With my last spear, too.
What the fuck is Kelvin doing? Bro, this nigga Kelvin pissing me off, bro. What is he doing, bruh? Yo, this nigga just standing there. Kelvin. Kelvin. Follow me. Just follow me. Oh yeah. Come follow me. Fucking, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is the... Oh wow, we live next to a waterfall.
Alright. Well, hang on. I'm gonna open up the skin pouch that I no longer have anymore. Damn it.
I have one.
Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, did you save when I didn't have mine picked up?
Maybe.
It probably despawned by now.
Alright, Kelvin.
Alright.
You're blowing my
So-
fucking mind. Fucking guy.
We should put a GPS thing on like the back of our front door.
Yeah. I would love to get shit. Oh my goodness, they're raiding our base. Oh, what the fuck? You know what, bruh? Where my
Like,
nades at?
are they destroying it?
It looks like it. Hold on, bruh. Take a nade, bitch. Hey, buddy. I just killed 2. I killed a big red fucker.
Like fucking what's his face, Water Boy. Stay back.
Fucking armor. They got combos. Wanna fuck around with us? Dumbass nigga. Stupid ass. Get your arm cut off. Get your dick cut off. Fucking bitch, who's next? You better run.
And then we got
Didn't
this.
I-
We stay awake.
Calvin, you
Stay
fell
awake.
in the fucking water.
He can swim.
No, but just like, how?
Because he's a dumbass. You don't know no better. Yeah.
Oh, none.
I will.
Just having to get wood. Oh, I'm about to pass out. Like I have no energy. Why am I not able to get energy? You could sleep right now.
Yeah. Nah, I don't like being in the dark like that.
I mean, it's like, it's like two of us, and like what are they gonna do once I get the gun out? You know?
I mean, you got a point, but still don't like it.
My character has no energy.
You know what? You know what? Okay, so this right here is gonna just be gonna be as big as the house is gonna be. Maybe extend like one more this way. Right? And then I'll just continue building under here, like around the rest of the island to make like our storage and everything really complete.
Okay. Oh, I gotta get sticks.
Okay. Alright, let's go to bed. Oh shit, did we get the hide back?
Yeah, we should have. I have it.
Okay. You said you needed sticks?
Put the sticks in.
Wait.
Oh, we need logs, like half logs.
Yeah, the
Kevin's-
planks that fell. Oh my god. Because we didn't store the planks despawned.
No, I used them for the building.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
We are in desperate need
We
of
should
wood.
destroy the stick holders at some point too. Did you tell him to get wood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, man. Finish this bed.
Look at me, Kelvin. I'm more efficient than you.
I need sticks. There's cannibals. There's cannibals running right after you. There's cannibals. There's like 5 of them. Oh my. No, wait. Let's just lead them into the water. Hey, buddy.
I was gonna shoot him.
Hey, yo, bro.
Yeah. But if they fall, get none of the shit.
Come here. Oh, Kelvin's. Did Kelvin
Damn,
just die?
he fucking. Did he?
No, he's good.
Alright.
Get in the water, buddy. There you go.
Nah, because if the skin pouches fall, then we ain't got none.
Nah, fuck him. Fuck all that. Alright, never
Stop
mind.
breaking my shit, bitch. Oh, I'm gonna fucking die, dude.
Where are you at?
On fire. Alright, I'm regenerating health. I need sleep. I need.
Come here, nigga. Yeah, try that shit again. Oh, skin pouch.
See what if that.
Oh, there's babies. There's babies.
Ew, what the fuck?
There's fucking babies. There's abortion. 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 There's another one. See what?
Is that all of them?
Yeah. Come on, little baby.
You can call we 6 at a time. That's gay. What?
Oh, almost just jumped into the water. Watch out. Oh, skin pouch. Ooh.
I got him, but
What?
help.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm
Oh
alright.
my goodness, that was insane.
Oh shit! Virginia got fucking mollywopped, bro. She was on the floor. Do I have anything in? I don't have anything in my flask, and I only have a little bit of clean water.
All right. Getting bitch ass cannibals.
3 more sticks.
One, two more. Fuck is you looking at?
This right here, I think I'm gonna make the floor out of stone so it can be a kitchen so we can like place campfires and shit on it.
All right. Yes. They're enemies. That is not good. They're at the campsite.
They're on the fucking bridge. Kelvin's getting his ass whooped.
I
Oh
got
my
him.
god, the creepies. I am. Oh, dude, I need to eat. I need to eat. I need to eat. Hold him off. Take this MR.
Get Kelvin.
Drink this water very quick.
I am out of stamina.
I got Kelvin. I got Kelvin.
Okay, I'm getting hit. I have no armor. Let's get his armor.
Nice. Okay, ready. Skin him.
Yeah, give me that meat. Give me that booty meat. Been a minute. It's been a minute
Where'd
since I had
where'd
some booty.
where'd the other one go?
I have no idea. I think it fell off.
Alright. I'm just gonna get to work building that kitchen area. I'll make the walls out of stone so it looks like uniform. Bridge. Log storage, large log storage, stone storage, bone storage. Spear rack. Firewood storage, that's what I want. I want firewood.
Oh man. Give me that good old wood. Yeah. Make me a fucking house. Make me a sandwich, bitch. Look at that. Make me a fucking sandwich. That's sick.
Yo, you there?
Yeah?
Okay, because it says host not responding and you didn't say anything. Water's ready.
Okay. Is it on the pot?
Yeah, it's on the pot.
Or on a fire?
It's on the pot. The over by me.
You made it. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. I made a stone storage too. So we can start having a place to, you know, build.
Yeah.
If what's his face maintains the base and fills that, that'll be amazing. 28 stones will go a long way in building up the house. I think I'll also open up and
Let me take your pot real quick.
like I'll put the pot over here. But right now I am pretty happy with how things are turning out.
Make me a sandwich, bitch. Type shit. Let's go.
What do you mean, let's go?
Oh no. Just making more water.
Michael. Oh, okay. Sweet. Because I filled up my canteen, so it's nice to have water on hand. Just working, bro. Working my ass off.
Nice.
What happens if I take that away? Okay, I can do it. I can do it.
Oh man. Ugh. Let me look at the map. Oh, there's a. Oh, we can go back to that purple dot and dig that grave.
That's right. We got the. Yeah, that's right, bro. You're fucking smart.
And there's a shit on the map too.
I'll take my skinny. In the morning, we can ready up and leave, and then when we get back, do shit.
All right, let's
Ah,
go.
shit. We're gonna be fucking nine. That was really that. Alright.
All right, I'm just gonna save the game right here. Oh yeah, I got a lot of rest. Oh, looks like the sun is coming up now. Yeah,
Is it actually?
yeah, it is.
Alright, I took an energy drink and an energy bar. And I'm just gonna have a canned food.
Wanna open up? You wanna make a pot of clean water? Pot?
I got a full pot of clean water and a full flask almost. So let's go. We're good.
I need water. There's
Oh
the.
shit. Check the rain catcher. If not, then I'll
Oh,
put my pot on.
I don't think there is. It hasn't rained.
There ain't shit there. Hang on, I'll set this on fire and then just add my pot and then you can just take some
Kelvin,
water off of it. Here,
maintain the
take some water.
base.
You want me for our cart?
I can drive.
One with solar charging?
You giving me? Oh
A
shit!
rabbit.
It's got
She knows
move.
we hungry.
Come on, let me get that meat. Might as well cook.
Here, take some water. Oh,
Now you're good.
alright. Alright.
It's a piece of meat here. Oh, never mind. You ready?
Yeah, let's go. Deer.
I'm gonna run it over. Sick of these niggas.
I got it. Just gotta sneak up on him. Eventually he's gonna stop. And I'm gonna come in for the...
Don't you fucking run, little bitch. Don't you
Alright, I gotta
fucking
find my
run.
arrows.
Oh shit.
Huh.
Where the deer at? Where the fuck is the deer going?
There's
Dumbass deer.
there's so many over here. There's like fucking 3 over here, dude.
I'm coming. Coming. Alright. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yo, dude. Look at this.
I seen you. I ran over a deer. Easy catch.
I just sniped
Dumbass
that
little
fucking
fucking deer.
bro.
Fucking running away from me.
Alright, when we get to the cave, we can make a little fire and cook this meat.
Let's go to the points first. That purple point. And then there's some shit on the map.
Wait, what's at the purple point?
It's a grave site, but let's go over here first. Some shit over here.
Oh, yeah. That blinking orange thing, right?
Yeah.
Do you see me fucking with the map, or are you in control of the map on your screen?
I'm in control. Almost there already.
Yeah, apparently there are like main highways and like roads in this game as well that we haven't been in.
I've been on a few roads.
I haven't.
Oh my gosh, it's a camp. You want to attack it?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
Oh wait, I think we've already been here. Oh yeah, we have. Ooh, give me that.
And under the thing.
Ooh, fucking skin pouch.
So I just Alright, let's go.
Alright, that's nice. Alright, you drive. You're like right there. Oh my gosh, I just blew smoke in my eyes. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's
What
another
you
cart.
smoking on, D?
Nothing. The Galaxy Gas. Oh, it's a fucking shit right here.
Wait,
Another cart?
for real? You off that galaxy guy?
No. Ooh, resin.
Yeah, I seen that. Another cart battery. And we're shit to us though.
We already have a cart. We don't. We only need
Yo,
one.
yo, now that we do look, now that we got the shovel, let's bust the fucker out. Where the hell is the shovel? In our, oh, it's right here.
Some shit right here. Look at this. I want to dig. The shovel at.
Oh, by the way, if we dig graves, we can also like find shit.
Yeah, I know. Start digging, boy. Oh, right here. Gotta dig out a little more.
It's a bunker door.
Nice. Look at us.
Yo, this is big, dude. Hang on.
Oh,
Let me make sure that
shit. We found a bunker. Bitch.
yeah, there's like 3 of them. Dude, there's also like golf and golf balls and shit. Like,
Oh. Wait,
dude.
what?
Oh my god, we need to make storage back at home and take these golf batteries with us at some point.
I got a ton of motherfuckers. Let me
Yeah,
make a camp.
so if we both got 3, that means that we have 6 total. Power for us back home.
Place the fucking tarp. You just save the game.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Amazing.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I ain't taking chances in there. Okay, I got ammo. I'm using the blick.
Alright. Maintenance A. Bunker. This is the location we unlocked when we went in the caves, remember?
Yeah.
I wonder
And now
what
that
this
yeah.
is. Ew. This looks wild.
MRE, energy.
Boom.
Dude, what? I have blind ropes too.
Bullets.
Great, more
There's a
ammo.
hold on, back up. There's a bouncing Betty.
Oh, yeah, I see. Okay, load up. Or do you want me to shoot it?
You can go ahead.
It's a Roomba.
Oh. I thought that shit was a. That shit was not moving. That shit was not moving. Energy drink.
You hear that music?
Yeah. Ooh,
Yo, there's hold on. There's a machete around here then.
cereal.
New location found. Ill.
Oh,
Laser sight.
food bunker.
Dude, another dude. Key cards. We found maintenance key cards.
Pistol rail.
Yeah.
Laser sight. This afternoon, it was discovered that a painting from Miss Puffton's personal collection has gone missing. If anyone has seen any information, talk to me directly. Fuck you. Nice shit. Oh, a printer. Oh shit.
So what does the rail do?
A mask, grappling hooks, tech mesh, sled. We can make a sled. Ooh, key card.
Dude.
Oh, this is nice.
Bro, look at this gat I got, bro. Look.
Oh, I gotta put that shit on.
You like that? It's got the flashlight. It's got that flashlight on it. Oh, wait, what did I make?
What is this?
What? I
What
have
the?
a printer. No, I don't. I put all my fucking printer resin at the other one.
Yo, what is this blicky? Oh my goodness.
Right?
Oh my.
There's a samurai sword in here somewhere.
Close. Tuxedo.
Yo, tuxedo? Yo, bro.
Put that shit away, nigga. Yo, put the book away.
How do I look? How do I look?
Amazing. Put the fucking book away.
Yeah.
Little Roomba. Oh my goodness.
Pop pills. Yeah. Oh, dude,
Ow.
another thing. When we get home and I do all the sheltering and shit, what we can do is we can like put
Fucking
away like
abortion.
all of our
Fucking abortion.
shit. Like we can throw away all our shit on like the shelves. That way we have like a fresh set to like come out and like collect shit. So that way we're not. See, I can't collect that solar panel or these batteries.
I can.
Yeah, okay, but
Ooh, light bulb.
paired game we could like they doubled like the solar panel's still here on my screen. Oh, dude, another axe.
Where?
Yeah, on the thing. It's called the fireman's axe.
Wait, I don't see it.
It has the slow swing, but the most damage.
I don't see it though. Where is it at?
It's right up here.
Oh.
All right, we found
This is nice.
another one. All right, yeah, dude, this is a good find. Let's go back home, and then come back here.
Nice.
Now that, dude, there's so much building I can do now. Like, oh, dude, see the gat is so nice now.
Yeah, it's so fucking
With the flashlight
sick.
on it. With the flashlight on it, oh, dude, it's so nice. And then we can go back to that grave later too. Yeah.
How do I
Let's
break this apart?
just swing at it.
Hold on, back up.
There we go.
Damn, took my tarp.
You can take it. I can't carry it.
Oh, this is ours. Nope. This one is. Nope. Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, because I didn't want to cross the water with it.
Oh my goodness.
What's in this?
Alright, let's go back to base.
Yeah.
Should we make a storage for the shit? The solar panels? Oh my goodness, look at the map.
Yeah. No, so what I want to do is I want to put the solar panels on the roof. So I need to start building up the roof.
Oh, okay. Let's go explore for a little while.
Well,
That's
I
what I
don't
was
want to
doing.
like I don't
Fucking
want to be like,
monkey.
oh shit, monkeys. I just want to be able to like I want to get some storage in real quick so that way I can put all the shit down and it won't despawn, you know? Because if it's on storage, uh,
Deer.
then it won't despawn. Oh my god. We should.
Oh, we
Hey,
should
hang on.
You looking?
Should get a hide out of the deer at least. Oh my god. Yo! Fuck is your problem, homeboy? Come here. You think I'm scared?
Dumbass nigga, dead. Give me your skin pouch.
Go see, boy. Yo, come here. Dude, I just decapitated her ass.
Fucking sexy.
Alright, hang on.
Anybody else?
This is what happens! This is what happens! Look at this fucker right here. Look at this guy.
How did I miss? Damn. Oh my gosh, you're invisible.
Let's see. I guess I'll
Kelvin
build
been
the
working.
stairs.
I'm gonna go check out that purple
Yeah.
point while you're doing that. And then if it's anything
Yeah,
valuable.
just come back and get me. I should have some storage built up by then.
Alright.
Did you
Multitask.
tell, did you tell Kelvin to take a break?
No. He's maintaining the
Are you-
base.
He's tired. Like I see it.
Oh my gosh, on
Build
yours.
it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Hmm.
Are you carrying wood right now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're glitched on my screen. You're like running in place next to me while I'm driving the cart.
Had
Holy
a.
The diddler. Oh, there's some there's some shit on my map. I'll go check it out.
Alright.
It's like next to the base, some gray shit.
Huh. I think I saw that on the map.
Yo, I can't see shit because there's fucking. We leveling up. This better not be a camp, and I better not be getting jumped. Now we good. Oh, it's a cave. There's literally a cave next to us.
Oh no. What the f.
I'll go check it out real
What?
quick.
Dude, what the fuck is that sound?
Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna explore this cave by myself. The fuck? But yeah, there is a cave on my map. Yeah. Alright, let's get... check out that cave later.